Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Alright, people, don't skip this step. For the first 40 seconds of this video, I'm going to cut the fruit up that I need for this. Cut it up now. It'll save you some time later after you mix your drink. Alright, so we got oranges, lemons, grapefruits. You can use limes if you want to too. So you can use all of the citrus fruits. And trust me, they work. But if you use grapefruit, make sure you use ruby red, the sweet one. Alright? Okay. Moving right along. Make sure you got a pitcher or something to mix it in. Make sure you have a spoon. And you have your glasses ready. You can use a taller glass. It's a punch. So I want to put it in a taller glass. But if you want to put it in shorter cups or pouches or anything else, you can. It'll work out. All right, hit that subscribe button, that like, hit that share, and that bell for notifications. How about that? All right, we're getting right into the drink. Put that Hennessy in there. That's the star of the show, baby. Get that Hennessy in there for sure. Yes, baby, I will list the ingredients in the description box down below. All right. I will list it down below. All right, get water in here. Now, I know I had some comments on the last punch video saying I don't put water in my drink. Put water in here. Y'all hear me? Getting some bass in my voice, because see what's next? Gin. And once that gin is in there, you got two potent liquors. You better believe you got Hennessy in there. You got Tanqueray, and Tanqueray is more than 90 proof. Put water in your punch. It is not going to make it any less potent, trust me. Orange liqueur is next. I am using blue curacao, but if you want to use triple sec, you can. Blue curacao will cause us to have a darker punch. Obviously, on the flip side, triple sec will make us have a lighter punch. All right? Your preference, or use what you have in your kitchen. Simple syrup. Equal amounts of sugar and water. Make sure that sugar is dissolved in that water. You have no sugar granules left, and that makes a simple syrup. All right, very easy. Grenadine. All right, you got red grenadine here. Just bumps up the color of that punch a little bit. Yes, it does. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right. All right, see how the fruit's just there? Make sure, as I said in the beginning of the video, cut your fruit up first. Saves you some time at the end when you're putting your drink together. Lemon juice. Watch this. Lemon juice is going to lighten our punch. It's really going to make it look like a punch even more. Not only does it do that, but it enhances the flavor of the punch. Don't skip lemon juice, and don't substitute it for lime. That's not going to work. It's not going to work as well as lemon will. So if you got fresh lemons and you want to squeeze it, do that. But do not substitute that lemon juice for sure. All right. So here, taste and add more of anything you want. But I'm telling you right now, at this point, this punch is perfect. Yes, I clap my hands. This punch is perfect. You do not need to add anything to it. What you will see coming up is you will see me add more into this punch so that I can make more punch. I have two really tall highball glasses, and I want to make sure I have enough to fill those glasses up. And a little bit more for a refill or to top it off if I want to. You get what I'm saying? All right. Punch is perfect right here. So stop right here. Trust me. Listen, I'm going to add another quarter cup of lemon juice, a quarter cup of grenadine, a half a cup of hen, quarter cup of simple syrup, and another quarter cup of water. Notice what I did. Added a quarter cup of everything else, but I added a half cup of Hennessy. All right, because that's what this is. This is Hennessy punch. Get it? All right then. So let's move right along. So it's not that I'm not sure of how much I want to put in here. I am absolutely certain about my measurements, but I want to make some more punch. Okay? Got it? Yes. All right. This is a great punch. I'm telling you. And you know what helps you with your bar? If you have a self-service bar when you're having a party, what helps is if you have pre-mixed drinks like this. For one, it keeps your guests from pouring too much of your liquor. Something is already there. They can grab it and move along. You see what I'm saying? So trust me, I've had enough parties. My family, we have hosted enough parties to know that we have had people to leave so drunk from our self-service bars that, trust me, over the years we have learned our lesson. Make something like this Hennessy punch very, very good. And trust me, your guests will go for that as opposed to mixing their own drinks. Yes, it is. This is, you got to go make it. All right, but naturally, of course, you know you have other drinks, you have other things that other people like, and that's cool. But just always have yourself a pre-mixed drink. That's my tip to you right now. All right, so moving along, I'm going to stir this a little bit. Now, I'm going to clean up the area, and the reason why is because we're about to serve it up, baby. We about to serve it up. So fill your glasses with ice at this point. Now, if you choose not to use ice, you can always put ice in the drink and strain it into the glasses. The danger of that, bing, 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 the danger of that is your guests getting too drunk if you have highball glasses. So my suggestion to you, if you're going to strain it and make it already cold, is to serve it in smaller portions. It is a very, very potent drink. Delicious. So it will sneak up on you so quick. Trust me, the drinker in your house that can drink you, or at your party that can drink you under the table, will get toasted off this. So you just want to make sure, because it is so darn delicious. I'm not kidding. You got to make it. All right, so in goes our punch. So we put ice and we put fruit in the glasses. So you do the same thing if you're using pouches. If you're using smaller glasses, and you cut smaller pieces of fruit, obviously. All right, so that pulp you see floating around, take something and take that pulp off the top of there. It's not going to do anything, but it's just unsightly. It just doesn't look pretty. So you, after all this effort, believe me, you want your drink to look pretty. So take that pulp. If it's seeds, take it off. So just take it out. So you want almost everything in this drink to be edible. So you can eat the fruit. You'll leave the rinds, but you can eat the fruit and drink the drink. So I just like when I'm serving food or drinks to just have just about everything edible that's in that dish or that drink. You understand what I'm saying? You get it, right? Sure. All right, so the oranges here I'm using for garnish, I actually cut those oranges too thin. So what I did was I switched over and decided to use the grapefruit. They're a little thicker, but trust me, they turned out to be a heck of a lot prettier. So that's for garnish purposes. Trust me on that one there. All right, a couple party tips for you coming up. Serve this immediately. The only reason why I say so, there's ice in there. You don't want to water down your drink. Yes, it is delicious. It is potent. We want to keep it that way. All right, so chill this first. If you don't want to use ice at all, then mix it up and chill it before your guests get there, and keep it chilled. So keep it in a bucket of ice or something like that. If you're serving a lot of guests, use smaller glasses or drink pouches. All right, so that'll help you out too. But you can make, double, triple, quadruple the recipe and just make a bigger portion of it. All right, so here we are in a glass, and I will show you what it looks like in a pouch as well. Thanks for watching, everybody. See y'all next time. Check out some of my other videos for more great recipes, tips, and ideas.